Okay, what is up everyone? It's O Block Trades here, and I'm going to be showing you the trade I took today on Euro JPY. So this is basically when I went into the market. I checked the daily chart. As you can see, we got a high, we got a low, and we got a lower higher high. So first off, we can see this is clearly an uptrend on the daily. Next thing we go into the 4 hour. What can we see here? On the 4 hourly, we see the low, the high, the low, and going on to make a high, so higher low. Then we go into the 1 hour chart, and what do we see? Let's just backplay this to where we were this morning. Okay, on the 1 hour, what can we see? A low, high, and obviously making higher highs and higher lows. So that's what I saw as soon as I got on the market this morning. And let's go down to the 15 minutes. So basically my overall bias was bullish, to be honest, because as you can see, it is making higher highs, higher lows, breaking above this structure. So that's what I was looking at. I was looking for buys, but what did I see? I saw this very clean 15-minute order book. Like, look at this. Some nice selling pressure. We got the break of structure over here, as we like to see. Got the break of structure. And yeah, so this was a bit tricky for me. I had to decide. I was overall bullish, but I saw a lot of this selling pressure on the order block. So let's see what happens when we get on the market. As you know, we only trade London session, so let's skip forward here till about 7:45. I don't trade before 8:15, so let's see what happens. Okay, when I get onto my computer, it's currently 8 o'clock in the morning now. So when I first get on, what do I see? We've tapped into the 15-minute order block, and we've had two strong bearish candles, as you can see, as a rejection. Two strong bearish rejection candles. Up again, we make a lower high with another two strong bearish candles. So time is 8 o'clock, 8:05. 8:10, 8:15. As you can see, we get a nice tapping again with the close fairly low, lower than here, the close of this candle. It did break past, but the close was lower. And as you can see, the sellers, they're not letting the buyers go up. They're eating it down. You know what I mean? So that's basically what I was seeing this morning. So what did I do? I had my limit order over here, stop loss right above the 15-minute order block with take profit down here at a 1 to 3. What happens? Tapped us in, as you can see, literally tapped us in to the pip. Okay, 5-10 minutes, boom, 3 straight red candles. So I'm like, okay, this is looking good. As you can see, we've already hit our 1 to 2. Our 1 to 3 is here. This is more or less 1 to 2. So what I did was stop loss to break even, and they cashed out 25%. So now I let the rest ride, boom, 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 and here I will take profit perfectly. Like, if you would have held this, would have been able to get even more without taking any partials or anything. You would have been able to get a 1 to 4.5, basically 1 to 4.5. Then what happens? Let's take this off. Price comes up again, and this was later on in the evening. I was trying to get some sells off of here. I was looking at this area, basically something like this, if I'm not mistaken. More or less basically the same setup as before. I cashed down. I tried to scale in here. So what happened? Price came up, taps us in. I'm like, okay, this could work. It taps us in at about 10:30, boom, and wicked us out straight away. So I've noticed that I should just take one trade for the day, one London session trade. If it doesn't work, come back tomorrow, because most of the times I take a second trade, it doesn't really play out too well. I don't really know why that is. Maybe it's just me, but that's what's happening. So we got a lovely trade here. We won about 2.25%, if I'm not mistaken, and then here we lost like 1%. So overall we're up about 1.25% on the day. So it would have been better without the second trade, but yeah, overall we're still in a winning trade. So hope you like that video. Please